Hey guys, I wanted to come back to you and give you a little bit more into how big is this cryptocurrency game. I think this is important to to start to put your mind around it. Right now, the cryptocurrency market cap is at about $1.25 trillion. Okay, that's small, weirdly enough, on a big scale. That's not a huge amount to be for an entire market. For a company, that'd be huge. That'd be great. But one of the upper echelon companies. So what that tells me is crypto is serious, and it's definitely here. Okay, so it's not going anywhere. If it's $100 million total market cap, we'd be saying something different. It'd be like, yeah, anything can get 100 million. These numbers are hard. It's serious though. So we're at $1.25 trillion. We're almost half of what we were at the highest. We were about $2.5 trillion this year. Maybe it might even be a little bit higher. I feel like we're about $2.5 trillion. What? So the stock market, for instance. If you want to know how big the stock market is, you're looking at your coin. You say Bitcoin right now is $30,000, $31,000. It was already double that this year. It was already 62, 63, somewhere in the low 60s. So you say, how high could it really go? Is it too late to get in? How high can this go? I'm trying to be brief, but I want to explain how this drifts down. At $2.5 trillion, Bitcoin was $60,000. Right now it's 1.25. In the stock market today is $95 trillion right now. That means it is about 70x of what it is right now. If Bitcoin was to just say the whole cryptocurrency market just took over the stock market, we'd be at $95 trillion. Likely that's not going to happen. Say over some years the cryptocurrency market matches, they split 50-50 how much money is working on exchanges. And you say 50-50. So roughly 45, we'll give them 50. So cryptocurrency is 45 trillion. 45 trillion from 1.25 trillion, roughly 30x. So you say, what would, if this money came in and Bitcoin's $30,000 now, just for a round number, and we 30x from here, what would that make the price of Bitcoin? Just the basic math will put it at $900,000 for one Bitcoin. That's what we're looking at. Now that won't happen, and all the money won't go to Bitcoin and then stop. It'll probably filter through Bitcoin and then drop down. Imagine Bitcoin holds 15 of that trillion, and people sell off 20 of their Bitcoin to buy other altcoins. Imagine if you're in a coin that has $100 million market cap, small coin in crypto terms, $100 million market cap coin, and you get one of those trillion that dribbled down to your coin. You went from $100 million market cap to a $1 trillion market cap. That's 6 zeros, okay? That is 10,000x. So you have $100 in your little 100 million market cap coin, and you 10,000x that. I don't even know what that is. That's who knows? That's $2 million, $100 million. I don't know, but it's crazy. I hate when I do bad math, because math is what I kind of hang my hat on. But do you see how the money going into digital currency, in the Bitcoin, and then trickles down into your altcoins? Almost any coin you're in, once this market grows and it transforms and it changes and takes from the stock market, when people see how digital money is safer and it's a stronger investment and there's more room to grow and make money, the volatility slows down, all that happens. The amount that you can blow up is insane. So you have to keep that in mind. And that's not even the biggest part of the stock market. The stock market right now is 95 trillion. This cryptocurrency market is about 1.25 trillion right now. Then there's the derivatives market. The derivatives market The last I looked, I just looked earlier, $640 trillion. That's sick. You can't even count that. Nobody could count that in their lifetime. Everybody in their family counting money from now till they die could not count that kind of money. Just $640 trillion. When that comes over, that will probably come into Ethereum, because Ethereum's a financial instrument. And that's what the derivatives market is. So, listen, the top end is insane here. I wanted to just put that idea of numbers out there so you see what kind of industry that I'm asking you to get involved in, or that you're already in, or that you can help teach me some more about, because I'm still learning. I wish I could explain to you what derivatives were. I can't. I've literally only been in crypto since 2017. I got in about the end of the 2017 bull run. So the only thing that I witnessed with my real money, I've been watching it, the only thing I witnessed was the very parabolic end of it, right? So, and then the 18, 19, and 20 hit, and it was a really low time. So when this one started, I'm thinking bull markets, I heard what I heard, but I saw what I saw. Bitcoin bull market is all up all the time. I found out that's different this year. But that's for another time. What I wanted you to understand is the size, the possibility for this to grow. So when somebody says Bitcoin 60 grand, it'll never get to 100 grand, that sounds insane. That's not even scratching the surface of what the stock market can do. When people say Ethereum could never get to 10,000, it can never get to 20,000. Ethereum, now it's $2,000, which is actually less right now. People have that map to get to $87,000 per Ethereum. It's going to outgrow Bitcoin insanely. And Bitcoin's going to grow insanely. So I wanted to explain to you a little bit of the numbers so you understand what's going on. And if somebody out there can explain better what derivatives are, explain at all what derivatives are. Like I said, 4 years of this is all I know. I can't explain derivatives yet. That's a high-level financial concept. And everything financial that I learned in those 4 years. And I've been watching this from the time I got in every single day, 5-6 hours a day, reading, watching charts, trying to learn the terminology. And I still don't know a lot. But what I do know is the very small way to hold and make some money in this game. And I have proof of it because it's in my own portfolio. So that's all. I just wanted to let you know how big this market is, what we're looking against, and what we have the opportunity to grow to. So this is no small beans game. And I hope you can tell everybody that you know, get everybody black, tell them to get in and check this out. I think between in the next 10 years, the next couple of bull markets, I think entire lives are going to change, entire histories are going to change just by getting started. Okay, that's all. I won't keep you anymore. Thanks for your time. Enjoy your day and make some money.